got school photos this week. Now everyone is going to see. I'll just stand at the back or volunteer to take the photo. Just say my camera is better. Or should I just pop it because it looks so poppable right now? I just don't know what to do.
Acne Time Out. Okay, first of all, you're not overreacting. If I had a school photo and a breakout popped in on that day, I'd be annoyed too. But let's not make an impulsive decision today. So definitely no popping. That's what makes a small pimple become even bigger. And the mark that it leaves behind stays way longer. Now, teenage acne is extremely common, and most of the people your age are dealing with it. Hormonal changes increase oil production, thus clogging your pores and leading to breakouts. That's normal. For now, let's keep it simple. Cleanse with the Sébium Gel Moussant to remove excess oil without stripping the skin. Follow it up with the Sébium Hydra that keeps your skin hydrated, comfortable and barrier supported. Then leave your skin alone. You don't have to fix your skin overnight, and you definitely don't have to hide from the camera because of a few acne. Face acne right with the Bioderma Sébium Acne Care range. Won't let acne win.